this day and age, where individual growth and competition is given more importance than the building of the community, it is rare to find institutions and individuals who dedicate their lives to philanthropic endeavors. To honor these individuals, the Ramon Aboitiz Foundation Inc, or RAFI, holds the Triennial Awards every 3 years.
Volunteer work, community work, development work is the way to go for the country to move forward.
Out of 147 nominees all over Visayas and Mindanao, 10 were chosen as finalists for the Triennial Awards, 5 for the Exemplary Individual category, and another 5 for the Outstanding Institution category. These finalists were awarded in the 2018 RAFI Triennial Awards for Visayas and Mindanao last August 31 at Bay Hotel. From the 5 finalists in each category, only 1 is chosen to receive the Ramon Aboitiz Award. The Ramon Aboitiz Award for Exemplary Individual was given to Dr. Benedict Edward P. Valdez from Davao City.
Ramon Aboitiz Award for Exemplary Individual, Dr. Benedict Valdez.
Para ni sa mga tanang beneficiaries sa Mindanao, Visayas, and to those who believe in me and to the foundation where I represent. Daghang salamat sa inyong tanan.
While the Ramon Aboitiz Award for Outstanding Institution was awarded to the Philippine Eagle Foundation Inc. from Davao del Sur.
The Eduardo Aboitiz Award for Outstanding Institution, Philippine Eagle Foundation.
So we're looking at a nationwide Indigenous Forest Guard program as a platform entry point for addressing poverty, biodiversity losses, and also as a way of rejuvenating indigenous culture.
The RAFI Triennial Awards was launched in 1996 and has continued to award outstanding individuals and institutions ever since. For MyTV Cebu, this has been Raya de Guzman.